What up, Fam Jam Dope Squad? We got a regular old moto vlog. Well, look at us. Also, freaking Motonosity made me meet him at a Tesla place knowing I want a Model Y, and here he is right now. Don't wave inconspicuously like you made me meet you at a Tesla place knowing I want a Model Y, but it's not even out.
I will wave at you however I please.
Fine. Well, say hey to everybody before I leave.
Hey everybody.
That's Motonosity. You should go subscribe to him because he makes half-decent motorcycle videos. You know what? Sometimes they're more than half-decent.
Sometimes what?
Sometimes they're more than half-decent.
Yours or mine?
I was saying yours, but now it's awkward, so I'm gonna go. Look at all these Teslas. Man, I want a Tesla. I want to be like all the cool kids with a Tesla. Guys, I got a mission today. Well, not really a mission. I got two things I want to do today. I want to talk to you guys. I didn't jump that at all. And I want to take a photo of my Supermoto. I got a cool little camera that I want to test out. Haven't got to really take photos with it in the field, as it were. Ooh, dude, bro, we're going. Whoops. We need to talk about things. We need to talk about stuff, including why there's like no videos on this channel other than Wreck Bike Rebuild right now, because motovlogging at a red light is boring, so we're gonna stop. Yay, we can talk again. Woo! So, as a lot of you guys probably know that are subscribed to the channel, my content stream on the channel kind of goes one of three routes. Either it's a Wreck Bike Rebuild episode where we're building dream bikes out of wreck bikes and then giving them away. It's either a first ride where I go out and do a test ride of a motorcycle, or it's like a gear review or something like that where I talk about a random piece of gear that I got. And lately, you've probably noticed that about the only thing I've been putting out is Wreck Bike Rebuild, and as per usual, I have a reason for that, unfortunately. So I don't know how many of you guys are in the States or in Georgia specifically, which is where I am, but the weather here has been the most garbage piece of but I digress. For real though, the weather's been absolutely terrible. Today was one of the first days I've been actually able to get out on a motorcycle. Now I'm not talking, we had 2 days of rain, Chase got his feelings down. I'm talking like weeks and weeks of terrible weather. Like, I know that it's not real, that, you know, what's it called? Heather was telling me the other day, something about like winter syndrome where people get sad in the wintertime. Dude, I was legit getting sad because the weather sucked so bad for so many days. Every morning I would get up, I would let my puppy out, and then it would be raining and he would have to pee, and then he would have to be wet. Like, so many mornings happened like that. It was absolutely ridiculous. You can tell it's even trying to rain today, but we're not gonna let it. We're not having it. So what happens when you have bad weather? Well, it makes it so that the only piece of content that you can make on your freaking YouTube channel is content that doesn't have to do with riding. So luckily, I feel very fortunate also that I'm in this position, but Wreck Bike Rebuild is the only video series that I do that I don't have to ride in, which is really freaking convenient. Because if all of this channel was regulated on Chase riding a two-wheeled vehicle, I don't know where the hell I'm going. I just took a random road because I got tired of riding in a straight line. But if all of my videos were predicated on Chase riding a two-wheeled vehicle, then like I'd be screwed, dude. I would have been screwed with this weather. Luckily, Wreck Bike Rebuilds everything in the garage, so that's why we've been doing that. All that being said, though, it kind of works out because Wreck Bike Rebuild Season 3 has to be done by March 31st, legally, I think. I'm gonna go that way because there's less stuff happening and I can probably pull a dank wheelie right there. Yeah, anyway, Wreck Bike Rebuilds, is this a red light? I don't really understand where I am. I've always wanted to do a wheelie through a red light, so now I've accomplished that mission in my life. So legally, Wreck Bike Rebuild Season 3 is required to end, like the promotion thing has to end on March 31st. Ironically, a day after my birthday, so that's cool. Happy birthday to me then. So, luckily, it's been raining, which has forced us to do a lot of filming for Wreck Bike Rebuild because, bro, we coming in tight to that deadline. Trust me. I think the final video is going to come out on my birthday on like March 30th or something like that. It's kind of nuts. We got a lot of stuff to do and we have to pack it into a super small deadline, but I was playing with my calendar the other day. Pretty sure it's going to be feasible, I think. So yeah, that's what's happening on the old tubes situation. And this is kind of the easiest way for me to talk to you guys. I've told you in the past, I'm not really big on doing motovlogs anymore. I kind of get bored by them. Like, it doesn't really do anything for me. But if I do have something that I need to like talk to you guys about or something, they work out rather well. Now, I don't know where I am, which is a big mistake that I made. And I got to figure out where to go to get a photo of this motorcycle. I could just go like put it in the bushes over there and like make it seem like it's in a field or something. What is that? I wish I could take my bike over there and play over there. That looks like a ton of space. Also, quick little info, if you're a fan of the Supermoto and the Me and Yummy series, I've got kind of good info, which could be good info. Me and Motonosity have been talking about getting on our Supermotos and going exploring. Obviously, Motonosity lives close to me here in Atlanta, so it's much more feasible for me and him to go make more videos. He's actually been here for a while, like, I don't even know how long, and we haven't really gone and ridden a lot together, which is kind of sad. So we're gonna try to change that up and go for more rides and go do little Supermoto adventures. Hopefully that's something you guys would find interesting, because we do both have Supermotos. He's got a big boy Supermoto, I've got a baby Supermoto, so we won't be able to do all the same things. Is that a cop behind me? It is. Hopefully that's not a legality issue because of, you know, the wheelie that happened earlier. Kind of like that abandoned looking area though. I kind of like that a lot actually. And that way I don't have to be behind this or in front of this cop. Let me see if I can get over. Alright, we'll pull into here and we'll get that photo up on that thing. Later, cop. You're not playing me, son. You're not doing that. Alright, that cop's gone, right? Because I want to get up here. Alright, I like this spot. This is cool. This is like, I don't know, foresty. Anybody notice that cop was like riding my butt? Like, bro, I had a blinker on and everything. You need to calm it down. There's no need for that. Alright, are you gonna stay? Are you gonna stay there? You should. Probably not. With the weather being bad, I haven't been able to do photos or anything outside. Everything's been inside. And go figure, like, I got this cool little Fujifilm X-T3, and then the weather started being garbage. So I'm like, thanks, piece of. This is probably where I'm supposed to like push my Instagram. So if you want to go see all the photos that get taken, by all means, C2W pics. This camera is so cool. I love it. I haven't really messed with video on this thing, so you guys will have to tell me how the video looks. Alright, we're going to do a video test where I record. I need it to not be angled. Good enough. Okay, let's see what the video looks like. Oh god, this is nothing but dirt. Okay. It's 4K 60, so I should be able to be like... Oh my god. It's nothing but mud here. Okay, that was pointless. Oh my god, there's a blinking light. New vlog, fam. Alright, there's a blinking light. I love that. Alright. Okay, cool. I got my photo. Is there another photo to get here? I don't think so, honestly. Alright, fam sauce. That is going to be it for this video. Just want to let you guys know that I know you've seen nothing but wreck bike rebuilds on, but hopefully the weather's going to start looking up and I can start making more first rides. It's just so much work to do a first ride and then to drive all the way to a location of mountain motorsports and then it start raining on you, because like if it's raining, can't do a first ride. And start doing more gear reviews. Got a cool little Bell helmet that I can start testing out. I'm actually really backed up on the gear and stuff that I do videos on. I've got so many product reviews to do, and they've just been piling up because the weather's been like garbage. Anyways, guys, I'm out of here. I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for subscribing to the channel and watching this video. I will see you guys on the next one. You guys go out there and ride positive. Also, don't let your bike fall. Okay, so before my bike falls anymore, I'm gonna go. You guys go ride positive, and I'll see you on the next one, which will hopefully, actually, it'll be a wreck bike rebuild. Oh well, enjoy it.